it's Johnny. Welcome back to the Wanderlust bus. So I'm sitting behind a pile of wood here, and that pile of wood is about to turn into a urine diverting toilet. And that is going to be accomplished a couple of ways. One, we will be having a bucket, hence composting toilet. Two, we have a urine diverter that was shipped to us from Serbia from our friend Smilia. And she is with, if you want more information about it, go check out her website. It's urineseparator.com. And it's called the Marcel. It's one of, I believe it's the only ceramic / porcelain urine diverters on the market. And it's an amazing piece. It's an artist quality piece. These are handmade by her at Urship Serbia, which also really cool project. Go check out Urship Serbia as well. A whole bunch of really cool stuff to learn about them. But we have to get the case built first before I can show you the really nifty urine separator. So let's go ahead and get these attached. I've already dimensioned it down. I'll show you what I did as I start gluing this up, and we'll catch you up to where we are now. Alright, so I've got the two pieces, bottom and top, clamped together so that when I cut them, I'll get an exact match on the profile of the toilet lid. And we're making the box to the dimension of the toilet lid so that it's as unobtrusive as we can make it, because it's a really small bathroom. Tiny space. Alright, so I'm getting the belt sander out because I need to straighten it out. I went proud on the line so that I could do this and I get an exact spot and it's nice and smooth where I want to hit it. Once we had the lid platform and bottom smooth as close to the seat contour as we could, we needed to dimension our, let's call them, barrel stains. Alright, all of that got us to this point. What I'm doing is I'm using a little bit of Green Guard certified construction adhesive to attach our upright pieces to our bottom. Once I get that done, I'll reinforce around the top edge and we'll create a lid with the other piece that I've created. Alright, what I've just done is I've traced a hole for the hole of the toilet seat, and I've added an inch to that measurement so that I can cut the ring a little bit wider than that, because we don't want this to be exactly the size of the toilet seat, because we want anything that would happen to hit the toilet seat that shouldn't hit the toilet seat. We want it to run into the toilet and not onto our wood, because that's gross. I'm gonna go cut this outside, and we're gonna make a back plate for this as well. Alright, so now that everything is covered in a slightly smoky haze, I've gotten the trim router and cut down a little bit to get the bottom of our toilet seat flat against our toilet base top so that it makes a good seal, so that, smells. Smells. Don't get out of it and permeate the rest of the bus and make everybody, well, smell it. So now I have to do some fine tuning because I'm pretty sure I still got a sticky spot. Rough when it's talking about a toilet. While we were at it, we repainted the platform to match the seat, since some of it will be visible peeking out from the edges between the seat and the metal cladding. Alright, so that is now all attached. I have a door I have to put on the back. That's coming up in a second. But before we go there, this has to be epoxy, because we want to make sure that it is completely impervious to water and other non-water liquids that go in this general vicinity. So we want to make sure that we can get it clean whenever any accidents do happen. We do have 3 kids. So now we have to take this out and get ready to epoxy it, but I'm going to drill the holes for the seat lid. The seat lid? The toilet lid with the seat. I don't know, first. While the eco-epoxy cured on the seat platform, we were able to move on to cutting the metal that would encase the outside of the toilet, giving us that clean look we were going after. This is just standard roofing panel metal that we've purchased unbent from a local supplier. I also highly recommend an air shear for any metal cutting. I will never use a set of tin snips again unless I have to. We went through a few different methods for attaching the metal, brad nails, metal stripping with screws, furniture brads, but we ended up settling on straight Green Guard construction adhesive. We're using a product from Liquid Nails called Fuse It. It's Green Guard certified. It will hold just about anything to just about anything. We spread it liberally over each upright piece and stuck it down with clamps. After the adhesive was dry, I got my ball peen hammer out and did a little bit of toilet body work. I bent the ends around the inside to make sure everything tightened up around the bends. So this is our urine diverter, or urine separator, depending on your colloquialism of choice. This is a all porcelain, all handmade. It's made in Serbia. It's called the Marcel, and it is a really, really high quality piece. It's basically an art piece. And a woman over there by the name of Smelia, she is an artist, and she makes these, hand makes them, and you can see there she pours them by herself, and then they spray them and bake them, and it's all basically a pottery process. But they're producing these, and the best part about these things is, yes, they separate the urine from the poo, and that reduces the smell in your toilet. But the bigger picture here is the fact that there's millions of people that don't have clean water, and we poop in it. I think that's kind of a slap in the face to a lot of people in the world. So going with a composting toilet is both an economical way to go about it, because you don't have to worry about plumbing a system, but it's also the more eco-conscious choice to go about, because don't poop in clean water, people. If you poop in clean water, think about people that don't have it when you do it, and then stop doing it. It's that simple. So we're going to put this urine diverter in for that reason, as well as the fact that poop and pee together smells. It's not good. Alright, now with this thing we need to make sure we use rubber washers in between both the wood and the ceramic, as well as the ceramic and the screw. So both sides of the ceramic are going to be sandwiched with a rubber washer on either side of it. That's to prevent it from chipping or breaking if you tighten it too much or something tweaks a little bit. That washer will give you a little bit of play. Alright, now our urine diverter is attached. And it looks nice. Check that out. Alright, and there you have it. A white box. It's a urine diverting toilet. Yes, that's right. We're so happy. It really did come out good. Soft close lid and everything. And because of the seat we bought, there's a child seat in here for the littles so that, well, they don't fall into the bucket, because that would be detrimental. Actually, more detrimental would be falling into the toilet and breaking the urine diverter, because it comes all the way from Serbia. So that would be disappointing. Nonetheless, speaking of urine diverters, go check out her site. Smelia is an amazing person and has amazing ideas about what the world should be, and she has 100% taken that vision and run with it with Earthship Serbia, as well as urineseparator.com. Go check it out. Go get yourself a Marcel, and if you need more information, I will be glad to get in touch with her for you. If you want to get one, I can hook you up. Just give me a holler, message me, leave a comment below, and I'll tell you all about it. Until next time, guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm Johnny with the Wanderlust Bus. We'll see you next time. I gotta go put this in. Hey guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. There's some related content down below on either side that you can check out, as well as that big round subscribe button right in the middle. Go ahead and hit that, and then make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when we upload new content. Also, make sure you go by our social media, our Instagram, our Facebook, and all the others. And if you find value in what we do, we'd love to have you swing by our Patreon page and give us some support on this journey. We'd love to have you along for the ride with us. Until next time, guys, I'm Johnny with the Wanderlust Bus. Thanks for stopping by.